starting.
Oh, there you go. Hold up. Yeah, stand in the middle. Stand in the middle. Sorry, dude. I'm just trying to freaking build a boat.
Guys, this is only going to be a 7-minute video because last time I made it too long and it did not work.
Yo, Gavin, remember the last thing we did?
Yeah, what about it?
We're gonna make a little airship in the back.
Huh. What? I'm going to do my hypothesis. My hypothesis.
Remember we made a little airship?
What ship?
We made a little airship.
Oh, yeah, right.
Oh, with your ship. Anyways, I want to make that happen.
Okay.
Can I use one of your gold ones, or should I use one of mine?
What gold ones?
The infinite one? The infinite hook?
Yeah, sure. I don't really care.
Okay, listen, Kevin.
Yeah?
I just used every single one of my, blocks to build this. Can I have a jetpack, please?
Okay, wait. I'm stuck in an infinite loop.
Oh,
You know what you just done, man?
bro, I got out. Bro, that's freaking easy. Alright, Mr. IDK, can I please have a jetpack?
Wait, let me check something. Sorry. Okay, wait. Just click on it.
What?
Click on it.
Oh, that? Oh, thank you. Alright, guys, I'm ready.
Wait, do not start. Do not start yet.
Me too. Okay, guys, can you get rid of the TNT boat? Because that completely destroyed my boat last time.
Okay, fine.
Me too. Give me one.
Oh, dude, I literally dropped it down for you. Did I not?
Wait, actually, guys, no, don't start. Don't start yet.
No.
How do I save?
Go to menu.
I'm trying to save the boat.
Dude.
It's not saving.
Dude, go to menu and push saves. Like the purple paper or something.
I know how to do it, and I've pressed save.
Yeah,
But it's not working.
that's because you have to wait for a bit to do that. To make it so save completely.
I got mine saved. Am I sure it's saved though? Click on it then. Okay. But then it'll delete this one, and if it didn't save correctly, then it'll just delete this. Okay, you know what? I'll just see if it saves. Let's start. 3, 2.
Wait, don't start.
One. No, okay.
Oh, wait, don't do it yet. I'm doing my little hypothesis thing. I gotta put it up. And I gotta put this connected. I mean, it would probably work. Oh, bro, look at this. It's science. Don't start yet. I'm not done with my little portal thingy. Ah!
Alright.
Wait, don't. Please.
Can I please start? Start?
Ah! Wait, please, don't.
Oh.
Don't.
Start.
Dude, wait. You gotta be patient, man. I'm sorry.
Hold on, I'll be right back. Don't start without me.
Why'd you start?
I didn't. Oh, I think Brandon did. Oh, there goes your skin. Oh, great.
Guys, I'm literally stuck in here.
What you say about me? Hey guys, I'm back.
Shoot. For some reason, it started, okay? It wasn't us, I swear. How in the world did I just...
Bro, it kicked me out. Of course it kicked me out.
How come?
Freaking brick. Okay. Blue. Change. Hey, you know what this would work for? Now I can see if it truly saved my thing.
Oh, wait, you want to make a storyline and build a boat like what you guys said?
It did save. It saved and it's back. I failed. I failed.
What?
I died. I did.
Oof.
But bro, it's back. It saved. It freaking saved. Let's go. Okay, I'm gonna start now.
Okay.
Yeah. Let's go. Bro, what is that?
A
What is
Bugatti!
that?
Do,
That's-
do, do,
okay.
do. Do you like my Bugatti? What do you think? What do you think?
It's alright.
Or too blocky?
Too memey. Too meme-ish. Too much of a meme. You know, the I woke up in a new Bugatti meme.
Oh. I mean, I never...
Too memey.
I kind of just like the Bugatti. Like, bro, the Bugatti's fire.
Yeah, honestly, I like it though. No.
Bro, oh, no mind. I'm cooked.
Hey, I'm just a survivor. I'm just surviving on my boat here with cake and treasure chest.
Oh, no.
No, seriously though, I got cake floating around. Bro, I'm surviving. You could never do as good as me right now, bro. I am surviving. Hang on.
Ah! I got mooned by the bombs.
I dare you to do as good as me right now, bro.
Okay.
I dare you.
I bet.
Bro, I'm just surviving.
I lost the hand. I'm handless.
It's working out for me. I don't know where you are. Oh my god. There's an arcade thing. There's
Yeah.
an arcade section in here. That's amazing.
I knew you would like it. I'm getting bombed.
God, oh no. The arcade alien, the space invaders, they're shooting me.
Dang.
Space invaders, no, you were one of my favorite arcade games. How dare you betray me like